We're making Hushpuppies! Is that good? Alright, so we're just making fried spicy cornbread. So we got 2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a little pinch of salt, a little bit of cayenne pepper,
That's gonna hurt.
Alright. 1 small onion minced. A little bit over 2 cups of buttermilk. I'm sorry, 1 cup of buttermilk. Two tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. A little bit of hot sauce. And lastly, some chopped scallions. And we're gonna mix that up. Until it looks like that. Alright, so we're using 2 spoons to make a little ball. We're just going to put it right in there.
If it doesn't start bubbling right away, it's not done. Don't do it. You want to shake your basket so it doesn't stick and it starts to float.